A very good morning, students. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to do class 10th first flight chapter 7 Glimpses of India part 2 Kurg. This is written by Lokesh Abrol. Let us see the brief introduction of this chapter. This lesson gives us a beautiful insight of the smallest district of Karnataka and its people. The place has an amazing weather throughout the year with enough rain during the monsoon season. The people of the Kurg are known to be one of the bravest. Coffee is the main crop grown in this region. A variety of animals can be found here while the place is surrounded by beautiful Brahmagiri hills, islands, and Tibetan settlements. Let us see the explanation. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This land of rolling hill is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. Let us see the word meaning. Drifted from, being carried along gently by hair means हिलना किसी की वजह से हवा की वजह से जैसे martial means having to do with war. Let us see the explanation. A Kurg, a place that is so beautiful that it seems like a piece of heaven, has drifted away from God's kingdom and has settled on the earth. It is somewhere between Mysore and Bangalore. It is an area with low hills of unequal heights. It is an area with low hills of unequal height. The people are brave warrior. The women of Kurg are pretty. The place has a variety of wild animals too. Kurg or Kodagu, a smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforest, spices and coffee plantations. Evergreen rainforest cover 30% of this district. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. This season of joy commences from September and continues till March. The weather is perfect, with such showers thrown in for good measure. The air breathes of invigorating coffee estates, and colonial bungalows and stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corners. Canopies means roof like covering made of trees that form a shelter. Prime here means best. Invigorating means strong. Let us see the explanation. Also known as Kodagu, it is one of the smallest districts of Karnataka. 30% of the area of Kurg is covered with evergreen rainforest and the place receives rain for most part of the year, especially during the monsoon season. The period from September to March is ideal for visiting Kurg. The weather is pleasant and there is some rain which makes it worthwhile. The air is filled with the strong fragrance of coffee due to abundant coffee plantations. The fiercely independent people of Kurg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. These people married amongst the locals and their culture is apparent in the martial traditions, marriage, and religious rites, which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. The theory of our Arab origin draws support from the long black coat with an embroidered vest belt worn by the Kodaus, known as kupia, is resembles the kupia worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. Mainstream means a tradition which most people follow. Tales of valor means stories of courage and bravery, usually in a war. Descent means origin. Explanation. The people of Kurg are believed to be of Greek and Arabic background, are generally ferocious. This theory came into being because of their dressing style. They are generally seen wearing a long and black coat with embroidered waist belt known as kufiya. Kufiya is similar to the kufiya worn by Arabs and Kurds. It is also rumored that some people of Alexander's army could not return to their homeland and so settled here while returning from the south. The people of Kurg marry each other, and their cultures as well as rituals are very different from the ones followed by Hindus. Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. The Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army, and the first chief of the Indian Army, General Kariappa, was a Kurgi. Even now Kodaus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Most decorated means having received the maximum number of awards for bravery in a war. The people are very welcoming and warm in nature. They are always ready to entertain with stories of their ancestors. They are known to be independent, ferocious, and brave, which is evident from the fact that the Kurg regiment in the Indian Army has received the maximum number of awards for bravery. The first chief of the Indian Army, named General Kariappa, belonged to Kurg. Also, these are the only people permitted to carry firearms freely, unlike others who need a license. This shows that the Kurgis are reliable too. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Kurg. Mahasir, a large freshwater fish, abound in these water. Kingfishers dive for their catch, while squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mahavas. Mischief means playful behavior. Ripple effect is small wave or series of waves on the surface of water, especially as caused by a slight breeze or an object dropping into it. Mahavas, a person who works with rides or trains an elephant. The evergreen forest and hills of Kurg provide water to river Kaveri, a major river in South India. A large freshwater fish called mahasir is found in these waters and is looked for by the birds, squirrels, and langurs. Play in these waters by throwing half-eaten fruits, whereas elephants enjoy bathing in it. The most laid back individuals become converts to the life of high energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, mountain biking. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers. Let's see the word meaning. Laid back means relaxed, not in a hurry. Rafting means traveling in a river in a raft, a floating platform made by tying planks together. Canoeing means traveling in a river in a canoe. Rappelling means going down a cliff by sliding down a rope. Trails means paths created by walking. The tourists who visit Kurg to relax in the natural beauty of the place also get attracted towards the various adventure sports. Activities available like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain climbing. The hills have various paths formed by footsteps of walkers who trek there. Birds, bees, butterflies are there to give you company. Macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lories keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild elephants. While taking a walk in this region, one may find a variety of animals around them. Birds, bees, and butterflies fly around you, while squirrels and langurs keep an eye on you from the trees. Wild animals can also be found in Kurg. The climb to the Brahmagiri Hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Kurg. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island of Nisargdhama, running into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlement at nearby Bailekupi is a bonus. The monks in red ochre and yellow robes are amongst the many surprises and that wait to be discovered by visitors searching from the heart for the heart and soul of the India right here in Kurg. Panoramic view, a view of a wide area of land. To have an overall look at the beautiful city of Kurg, one must climb up to the Brahmagiri Hills. Kurg is surrounded by astounding places of beauty like the island of Nisargdhama and Bailekupi, which is India's largest Tibetan settlement. Monks wearing red, orange, and yellow colored garments can also be found in the district of Kurg, where their lifestyle is a fascinating view for the travelers. A mix of diverse cultures can be seen here, which represent the heart and soul of India. So, this is all, students. I hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching the video.